Okay, here I am with my Briggs and Riley bag. I had to order replacement wheels. They have a lifetime warranty, but one of my wheels, this one you can see is something's broken in there. So they sent me this repair kit, which comes with the 2 wheels and comes with the tools. So I'm gonna follow the directions here and see about replacing the wheels. They say it's supposed to be very quick and easy. So what I've got in the toolkit, that comes with a little Allen wrench and 2 axles and nuts. So let's see how this goes. Take one apart here. Now this should just loosen from here. That comes out pretty easy. Let's see how that works. Okay, that's loose. That axle's out. Oop. And as you can tell, that one's broken in there, so that's the axle broken. Looks like the nut stayed in there, so I don't know that I'll need that. So let's take the new wheel and the new axle. And that fits right in there. Well, that is very easy. Take it out, pop it in, and tighten it down. That looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the other one while I'm at it, since they sent me 2 of them. Yeah, I travel quite a bit, so these wheels have had this suitcase had some mileage on it. Let's see here. Oh, that one's stuck a little more than the other one was. There we go. Undo that one. That's out. That wheel comes out. Get the new wheel. Get the new axle. Wheel goes in. Axle goes in. Get everything lined up. And that's all done. Took a little over 2 minutes to place 2 wheels. That was easy. Thanks.